We are going to find a value of x squared plus 1 over x squared. Alright, but where should you start the solution? By working on this important information of the question that says x minus 1 over x equals 8. How? Let's raise both sides of this equation to the power of 2. It is going to be, let me write it here, left hand side, x minus 1 over x to the power of 2 equals right hand side 8 to the power of 2. What is this? S squared of the difference of two terms. So to simplify this one, I'm going to follow an algebraic identity that says this one, a minus b to the power of 2. Can you remember this? First term to the power of 2 minus twice of the product of the first term and second term, and finally second term to the power of 2. Now we are going to follow this algebraic identity to simplify left hand side. First term to the power of 2. Let me write it here. X to the power of 2 minus twice of the product of the first term and second term. I write it here plus second term, which means 1 over x to the power of 2. This is left hand side. Right hand side, x to the power of 2 is going to be 64. To continue the solution, let me write this x to the power of 2. Next, this x on top, this x bottom can be cancelled off. So here we have minus 2. And finally, 1 over x to the power of 2. What is this? Let me show you. 1 over x to the power of 2, which means 1 over x times 1 over x. So 1 times 1 is going to be 1, x times x is going to be x squared. So let me write it here, plus 1 over x squared equals 64. But is this a final answer? Nope. Be careful. We are asked to find the value of x squared plus 1 over x squared, while we have here x squared minus 2 plus 1 over x squared. So what should we do? Easy. Move this negative 2 to the right hand side. It is going to be first one x squared, this one plus 1 over x squared equals right hand side we have 64, right? This negative 2, we move it to the right hand side and change the sign to positive. So what do we have? 64 plus 2, 66. And this is our final answer. Have fun.